I was just sitting here thinking about the fact that the only reason why I accomplish anything when it comes to my creative career is because I am able to just not quit when I suck. That's literally it. That's all I'm doing. All I've done is just not quit in the moments when I am really sucking, because all of a sudden I'm looking up and my YouTube channel is not so hard and getting on camera is not so hard, and ideating my content and like batching my emails, all of a sudden everything is not so hard. And why is that? Because I didn't quit when it was extremely hard. I've talked about this briefly on the channel before or on the podcast before about how long it's taken me to get comfortable on camera. I've talked about how hard it's been for me to be consistent when it comes to my content. I've talked about how overwhelming it has felt a lot of the time when I think about how much work content creation is, and like having that as a goal, is wanting to build a channel and all that other stuff. It's overwhelming. It can be crippling. And the only thing that has got me here to this point, and by here I mean that I haven't quit yet and that I'm still doing it, is that I've just been able to like not quit while I've sucked. And I feel like that's actually the only secret. That's literally all you're doing all the time ever. Like all you're doing all the time ever is just not quitting while you suck, so that you can be around when you eventually suck less and start getting better at it. Because I've just gotten to the moment, and I'm so excited, where all of a sudden getting on camera is not so hard anymore. And it's not so painful, and it's not so excruciating, and it's not so draining. Editing, ideating, posting, all that stuff, I'm just getting better at it because I'm not so new at it. I've just gotten used to it. It's not so hard for me anymore. And I love getting to this point because it's just a reminder. It's just a reminder that the only thing that sets you apart from the other people that don't accomplish the things that you want to accomplish is that you keep doing it, is that you continue doing it, and just keeping your head up and showing up every day while you suck. So I think what helped the most was lowering my expectations. I really feel like that's what it was for me personally. And I feel like it's something to consider as you are working on your projects, is especially if it's new for you, if this is the first time you're doing something. I'm using myself as an example because it's like the first time that I feel like I've consciously made an effort to grow a channel. Like my comedy channel is something that I just was like I was just posting my web series, and I didn't really try to grow that channel. That wasn't something that I was doing well. Whereas this is something I'm actively working on because it's like an idea that I want to see to fruition, right? And what has helped every time I've done something new is lowering my expectations. And for me, like, I really wanted to be able to like post on a weekly basis because that seems like the bare minimum standard nowadays for social media. Like, you should be posting every day ideally, but for me it was like, if I can't post every day, I'll post once a week. If I can't post once a week, I'll post once a month. If I can't post once a month, I'll post whenever I can. I'll batch content. I was constantly, so I would even say that it's not even so much as lowering my expectations. It was working with myself, working with my limitations, instead of making the limitation the reason why I needed to stop or the reason why I just wasn't good at something. I really just allowed myself to show up as I am with the capacity that I have and worked with that expectation. And what it has done, I feel like it's built an internal trust that like not only will I get the work done, but I'm like building up my capacity to do more and more because things are getting easier. I'm building up more of a routine. I just know what I'm trying to do more and more. And I feel like this is helpful too, like even if you're pivoting to a new career or like you're learning a new skill or you're doing something new for the first time, like or you're doing something old in a new way for the first time, is to really work with yourself and not like beat yourself up when limitations present themselves, and just like see that as a presentation of information that you can now work with. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. If you don't know me, I'm Sharla, and this channel is all about helping writers and creatives thrive.